Where are you going?
The note says not to deviate from my routine, and I always pick up Jeffrey on my days off.
I'm going to come with you. Yeah.
LC on the unsubs note. It stands for Living Children.
Are you sure?
It's administrative. It's when they're afraid a patient's going to go on life support and they don't have a DNR order. Read.
What if the unsub was trying to tell Dr. Barton that he is actually the target? And that he's going to leave his son without a father? Barton!
Doctor!
Reed? Answer me. Reed? This is Special Agent Emily Prentice from the FBI. I need police and an ambulance to 120 Kensington Road, McLean, Virginia. Shots fired. Federal agent possibly down.
Are you hit?
No.
Yeah, my gun.
Get away from him! Get away from him!
Whatever you do, stay down.
Don't protect him!
Drop the gun!
He killed my son!
He did not kill your son. Your son was killed by a car accident.
Stand up!
I'm going to ask you again. I do not want to shoot you. Please drop the gun.
Stand up, you coward!
Mr. Myers, listen to me. All right, it's over. Dr. Barton did not kill your son. Your son was killed by a car. And this is not what he would want. Okay? So drop the gun. Please. Don't do it.
I'm sorry.
I'm fine. Go to him. Go to him. Take his gun away. Make sure his gun's not near him.
Don't touch me.
Okay.
Oh, die. Oh, don't touch me.
I need to stop the bleeding, okay?
The medics are almost here. Can you keep him stabilized?
Yes, I think so. Hold on. The ambulance's right here. EMT's coming, all right? Hold on. I need a backboard and a seat collar. Coming right up. I need to put pressure on this right here. Call ahead to the ER, tell them they got a GSW to the thoracic cavity, and have them redline to the OR stat.
Oh, don't touch me.
Looks like it went clean through.
You might have just saved his life.
Keep pressure on this, okay?
I'm good. I'm fine. Go to your son. I'm good. I'm fine. Go.
Jeffrey.
You okay?